Healthy tips you need to know. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate guide to living a healthier, more balanced life. No complicated routines, extreme diets, or costly fixes, just simple, actionable steps you can start today. If you've ever felt unsure about where to start your health journey, don't worry. I've got your back. Stick around because these tips are as practical as they are life-changing. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Your healthier, happier self is just a click away. Living a healthy life isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good, thinking clearly, and living fully. The good news? Transforming your health doesn't require a drastic overhaul. Small, consistent changes can lead to lasting improvements. By watching this video, you'll gain the tools to take charge of your well-being in an easy and motivating way. Ready? Let's jump into the tips. You've probably heard this before: drink more water. But let's take a moment to understand why. Water is your body's natural fuel. It boosts energy, flushes out toxins, hydrates your skin, and keeps your body functioning at its best. Here's a simple trick. Carry a reusable water bottle wherever you go. Add a touch of fun to your hydration game by infusing your water with fresh fruits like lemon, berries, or mint. Make it flavorful and exciting enough that sipping on water becomes second nature. Getting 7-9 hours of sleep every night might sound like a luxury, but it's a necessity. Quality sleep improves focus, energy, mood, and even your immune system. If you struggle with sleep, try establishing a calming bedtime routine. Dim the lights, put away your screens, and maybe even read a physical book before bed. A consistent nighttime ritual will help prepare your body and mind for rest. Starting your day with movement is an incredible way to boost your mood and metabolism. Whether it's a quick stretch, 10 minutes of yoga, or a brisk walk around the block, morning exercise wakes your body up and sets a positive tone for your day. Not a morning person? No problem, this doesn't have to be intense. Even minor movements, such as a few stretches while still in your pajamas, can make a big difference. Food isn't just fuel, it's medicine for your body. Balanced meals consist of 3 essential components: healthy carbs, lean proteins, and good fats. Think whole grain toast with avocado and a boiled egg, or a plate of grilled chicken with quinoa and leafy greens. Portion control matters too. A tip here is to use the plate method. Half your plate is for veggies, 1/4 for protein, and the other quarter for healthy carbs. Eating the right balance ensures your body is nourished and satisfied. Processed foods may be convenient, but they often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. Whole foods, like fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and lean meats, offer more nutrients while keeping you feeling fuller for longer. For example, instead of grabbing chips or cookies for a snack, opt for some almonds or an apple. These small swaps will add up to big health benefits over time. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Practicing mindfulness, even for just 5 minutes a day, can reduce stress, improve focus, and elevate your mood. You don't need a yoga mat or a silent retreat. Mindfulness can be as simple as taking 10 deep breaths or sitting quietly and listening to your surroundings. If mindfulness is new to you, consider starting with guided meditations using free apps or videos. The key is to center yourself and enjoy the present moment. Spending time outdoors is like hitting a reset button for your mind and body. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the woods, or simply tending to a garden, being in nature reduces stress and increases happiness. Don't underestimate how powerful fresh air and greenery can be. Try this. At least once a week, dedicate time to stepping outside and connecting with nature. It's free, easy, and incredibly rewarding. Consistency beats intensity when it comes to building healthy habits. Create a daily or weekly routine that prioritizes your well-being. For example, plan your meals ahead of time, schedule workouts into your calendar, or allocate time each day for self-care. Routines give structure to our day and make it easier to stick to our goals. Start simple, maybe one new habit at a time, and watch how your life shifts with consistent effort. Excessive screen time isn't just a problem for your eyes, it can impact your sleep, posture, and mental clarity. Try creating no-phone zones during meals or before bedtime. Set specific times to unplug and focus on other activities, like reading a book or spending time with loved ones. Taking control of your screen time frees up mental energy and creates a more balanced lifestyle. Health is a journey, not a sprint. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small it may seem. Did you drink 8 glasses of water today? Amazing. Did you go for a 5-minute walk instead of staying on the couch? That's progress. Rewarding yourself for small successes keeps you motivated and excited about your journey. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool, so use it to your advantage. A lot of us have excuses when it comes to improving our health. I don't have the time. It's too expensive. I don't know where to start. Guess what? There are solutions to all of these barriers. For time, choose quick fixes, a 10-minute workout or preparing simple meals in advance. For cost, remember that healthy foods like eggs, bananas, and beans are super affordable. And for starting out, go back to the basics. Hydrate, breathe, and move. Taking small steps can tackle even the biggest challenges. Let's take a moment to imagine someone at the beginning of their health journey. They start with just one step, drinking 2 extra glasses of water each day. A week later, they add a 10-minute walk. Then they start swapping sugary drinks for herbal teas. Fast forward 3 months, they're not just feeling better, but they've built sustainable habits that stick. This progress is completely doable for you too. It doesn't matter how small the first step is. What matters is that you take it. A healthy lifestyle doesn't have to clash with your busy schedule. Implementing these tips can happen naturally, even with just a little effort. You can sip water while at your desk, stretch while watching TV, or take a mindful moment in between tasks. Health is built in small, manageable ways over time, not by adding stress or pressure to your life. Here's an important reminder. Consistency is always better than perfection. Giving it your best effort every day, even if it's just improving by 1%, will lead to incredible long-term results. Miss a day? That's okay. Get back to your goal tomorrow. The key is to keep going one small, consistent step at a time. Here's a quick recap of the tips we covered today. Stay hydrated. Prioritize quality sleep. Move your body in the morning. Eat balanced meals. Choose whole foods over processed ones. Practice daily mindfulness. Spend time in nature. Build a consistent routine. Limit screen time. Celebrate small wins. Which of these tips are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey and support you in any way I can. Remember, the smallest step you take toward your health today is a step in the right direction. Whether it's drinking more water, going for a short walk, or practicing mindfulness for 5 minutes, every choice adds up to a healthier, happier you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more uplifting and inspiring content like this. Let's keep improving and growing together, one day at a time. Here's to your health and happiness. Thank you for spending this time with me and taking a step toward prioritizing your health. You deserve to feel your absolute best, and making these small changes will help you get there. Keep shining, keep smiling, and here's to a healthier, happier you. See you in the next video.